Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily download YouTube application to your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So friends, let us get started with you. To do this, on your iPhone, you open the App Store app and then you press search. And in the search box, you type in the word YouTube. And then search. And now you find the YouTube app, you can go to it. And here, where I have the cloud, you'll have a save button. I saved it this way though because I already had YouTube on my phone once, and I just deleted it. If you're downloading YouTube for the first time to your iPhone, then there will be a save button. You click it and give confirmation that you want to download this program. Your iPhone will probably ask you to enter, for example, a PIN code from your phone, or to identify that it's you thanks to Face ID. When you do this, you will start the process of downloading the YouTube app. As you can see, it basically doesn't take that long. About a minute, it might take. And next, after YouTube has downloaded, you click Open. Next, you'll need to choose the Google Mail that you're going to link YouTube to. Since I have it, I'm offered it right away. But you may have a choice of other emails that you can add. And actually, friends, that's it. After that, you will immediately have YouTube with videos that you will be offered. That's the very simple way you'll be able to download the YouTube app to your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to our channel. See you soon.